Hello everyone. I want to say sorry to all of you. Due to some personal work, I was not able to upload my videos. So today I took some time to upload it. So let's start. We search Python download. If we want to download the Python software, so we need to write that. So click on the first link and go to the download option, and we can see the download for Windows version Python 3.12.1. So when we click on that, so it start downloading. So without doing late, we can click that and it's starting downloading. So after downloading, we can check the status as well on by clicking on that. So this is the, we can see the version of Python 3.2.1 12.1. So we can check that it's download complete. So click on that. When we click on that, it's open, and I think in my system it's already download, so it show that modify or uninstall. So when you install that in your system, it show install, so you will simply click on the install part and it will start the uploading process. And after uploading process completion, you can simply close that, and you can see in your system version of Python successfully installed. So you can search in your IDEL, in your IDLE, you can search and open it. So when you open that, so it's show that the command of you write simply, we can check the command in that print function. So I write here some message. So I type message and I write the some values in the message. So is equal to double quotes. If I write some text, so its value stored in double quotes. So I write here, please like, share, subscribe. Nidhi Jangda. So simply we can write in that text what we want to print and close it in with double quotes again, and print double quotes, we can what we want to print message. So write here message, bracket close, and simply enter. So it give output, please like, share, subscribe, Nidhi Jangda. So if you want simple print, so I write here print then double quotes, thanks. And same we can close again that, so it's give output like that. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you will keep support always. Thank you.